Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Look at all of Avi's puppet collections. She has different colors.
I got a calculator puppet.
Let me see. Cool. Look, it has purple, blue, pink, green, and yellow. Good job. What else? Let me see. Ooh, ice cream.
Ice cream.
Did you pick the ice cream?
No.
Yeah, you did.
No.
You were hungry, huh? You like, I want ice cream. Yum, 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 yum.
No. It did like this. They make this.
They made it like that?
Yeah.
Nice. What else? What else? Ooh, what is this?
It's spinner.
A fidget?
Spinner.
Show us.
Wait, I'm gonna pop these up for the guys. That's right now. I got it.
The fidget spinner slip off your hands?
Yeah.
It's a very slippery fidget spinner, guys.
Yeah.
Show us the fidget spinner. Ooh, love that color. Nice. Spin it. Show us. Wow. Love the color.
They're orange, they're blue, and they're pink, and they're yellow, and green, and
orange.
And they're blue, and they're a lot of colors.
Good job. What is this?
It's a llama. Wait, pop one.
Show us your little llama. What noise does the llama make?
Meh.
That's funny.
Meh. Meh.
Show us the llama. Let me see.
It's ready.
Look, beautiful little llama she has. Glasses, or her eyes are made of a heart shape.
I'm in the puppet. Put it right. I'm gonna put the camera right here.
Show us your keyboard. A keyboard.
It's a keyboard.
Puppet.
Puppet.
Okay, you hungry? Here.
It's big.
Here. A hamburger.
It's big.
The hamburger comes with French fries. Oh, you're eating it? Is it chewy? Is it chewy? Yeah, that's a chewy hamburger, girl. Ew. But yes, look at this puppet hamburger. It has its bread, lettuce, its patty, its patty, mustard, ketchup, and its bread. Alright. Now, take a look at this. French fries. They taste good, huh? Good chewy French fries. Let's see, what else? What else do we have here, Abby? Ooh, what is this?
Pineapple.
A pink pineapple. What are you doing?
Again?
You're eating?
Yeah. Pineapple.
You're eating a pineapple. Look at this. Pineapple. What else do we have here, Abby? Show us your puppet collection.
Linky. A Linky.
Ooh, what is this? A cupcake. Look at this. A cupcake. It tastes good, huh? What do it taste like? Rubber?
Yeah, leather. Now let's look at the big Linky.
Ooh, what is that?
Linky. It made of the gold.
And it's made of metal.
Yeah.
Oh, touch the floor. What do you have there? Ooh, you have a ball?
Yeah.
Let me see how many colors. What colors are in there? Let me see.
I grabbed some. They're sticking out. Got it.
Wow.
You twist it. You twist it. Yeah, where's the custard?
Peas are healthy. Show us a piece.
Yeah, pop it out. Pop it out.
Oh, I see a little face. Show us a piece.
Yeah.
Ooh, it has a happy face.
Wait, hey. No, look.
Let me see. Hold on. Oh, okay.
These don't have face. These don't have faces right here. Only this one in the middle. Look.
Okay. What about this fidget spinner? Show us, Abby. It's a puppet fidget spinner. Nice. You got it?
Yeah. Oh my God, that's how. Too. Right here. Yeah.
Ooh, nice yellow unicorn bracelet.
It's cute little unicorn. It's yellow. And there are more. There's the hiding. Other.
Oh, look at this one. I like this one.
Get it there.
Where's the sun? Show us the sun, Abby. Which one's the sun?
This one.
That's the sun.
Wait. Mom, what is this?
It's a planet.
Planet.
Our planet Earth. Right there. What are you doing, silly? I like your pumpkin shirt.
Pumpkin.
You have a pumpkin shirt because Halloween is
Coming up.
Yeah.
Wait. I can't pick
What
it.
is this?
Tap two.
Whoa.
Again. Don't pink one.
Pink.
Wait.
Orange. What was the card? Nice. What color is it?
Purple.
Purple.
You can name that right here.
I see it. Look at this. This is our remote control. Show us a little remote control. You can take it to school. If you're bored, you could take it out, play with it.
Yeah, this can't run.
But listen to your teachers. What is this?
Peanut?
A peanut?
Yeah.
Squeeze it out.
It's sweaty one. I see it's sweaty.
Oh, squeeze it, squeeze it. I see it. Hello.
Hello.
Hello there, peanut.
The peanut go back to the house. Oh, no.
What else do you have here? Ooh, look at this.
Peanut, come out.
This one looked like if it was Pikachu, but a green one with no tail.
Aww. Pew, 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 pew.
No tail. Oh look, Abby has two puppets that are identical, which is that one and this one. Did you pop the ball?
No. No. Your turn on. This is your turn on. You see this?
What is that? Does that go on your finger?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a monster vampire.
Did you come out on Poppy the movie?
Yeah.
What it does? That one's scary. Ooh, what else do we have here? This is a big puppet. That's a big puppet. Oh, where did you go? Where's your head? Can't see you. Can't see you. Can't see you. Nice. I like that one. What else?
Spiky ball.
Look at this one. This one in here has a marble inside.
Yeah, Mommy, open it. Let's take them out and we slide them down like that, and let's get them.
No, we're not gonna do that. We're not gonna take the marble off. Look, you just put it in here.
Yeah.
Move it.
Yeah. Let's do it tomorrow and get older.
Oh, look at this. What is this?
Okay, let's go get it. Linky. Yeah.
Alright, keep moving. Saying hello.
Hello.
Nope, don't mess with him. He bites. Ooh, what is this?
Go underwater. Planet.
What is this?
It's banana. Look, banana.
It smells like
Banana.
banana.
Strawberry.
Show us the toy. Nice. And that one smells like
Every
strawberry and banana.
They're walking together.
Look, show us the cube. Open it.
You got two.
Yeah, open it. Oh, there you go. Twist it.
turn like a toe.
Did you show them this puppy yet?
No.
What is that?
It's tiny puppy. I can't see my finger inside.
It's a tiny puppet and it's a fidget
Spinner.
spinner. This is a fidget spinner too. And this one. Whoa. I like this one. This one you can change it however you want.
This one I like.
Like that. Spin it. Spin this one up. How many fidget spinners do we have here?
1, 2, 3,
4.
4.
4 fidget spinners. What is that?
Do we collect every color once? And every animal you want. 2 ducks' heads. 2 quack quack.
Is that a worm?
Ah.
We got plenty of it. Wait, hold on.
Baby shark.
Little strings you can pull on them. Right?
Yeah, and you can't bite them. You can't.
This puppet right here glows in the dark, and you can put him in your bag. They just hang. How many are they?
1, 2, and this banana and this cube.
Oh, look, more peas.
More piece. You want to feed? I want to feed them one. Just need to squeeze them in. Squeeze one now. You see one? You see one? Puppy now. It's puppy now. It's puppy.
Oh, we saw it.
Here, eat it. Eat it.
Yum, 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 yum.
Eat it.
Yummy. And we're done with Abby's puppet collections. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye.